Today we're trying the Patrick Ta She Left Me on Red blush. Let's open it up and get right into this sucker. It is well packaged. Very well packaged. I like that. This is my first Patrick Ta blush, so. Oh wow. That is the red I've been searching for. It's a little bit actually richer in person. So like, here, let me look at this red. That's literally what you want. So it comes with a powdered blush and a cream blush. So let's just kind of do it and go in with the cream blush first. I'm going to just kind of dip my finger. It's so rich and like buttery. I'm just going to put it right here. Okay, I really love that. It's like the perfect little flush. Let's do it on this side too. Yeah, I really, really like that. But I want to go in with the powdered and see how it looks because I love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. All right, let's do it. So excited. Oh wow. Okay, that's gorgeous, but I need to spread it out better. Okay, and I went in one spot and stayed in one spot. Yeah, I really like it, to be honest with you. Maybe if I put the product more on the apple. Yeah. So if I put it here, it doesn't spread very well. But if I put it more on the apple, it really does. And then I like to get the nose, a little bit of the chin, and I will probably dull it down with a little bit of concealer because it is a little bit loud and in your face, which is fine. I like that. I don't like having to go in too much for my blush. I like a pigmented blush. So this is literally like the perfect red blush. Quite literally. It's really expensive. Yes, it is. I got it on the Sephora sale because it's $53 not on sale, which is crazy, but I mean, it's honestly amazing, and I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of this. Like, yeah, so it's my first time using it, and I should like literally write the date down and I'll show you when I finish it. That would definitely be a cool video. I feel like I might get years out of this. I dull it down with just like a little bit of concealer, so basically like go like this and like that. A little bit on the nose too, just to help kind of like give it back my natural skin tone a little bit so the blush isn't so in my freaking face. Or in your face, I guess, not on my face. I don't know. I don't know. It's early in the morning. There it is, dulled down. I'm not gonna lie, I really love the blush. I would rate it like a 9 out of 10 just because I don't find it's like completely as blendable as I would like it to be. But the color that it comes with a cream and a powder, and it's also like the perfect pink. You can work with it, and it's not like so unblendable that it's not workable. So it's definitely a 9 out of 10. It's beautiful. The packaging's gorgeous, like just so gorgeous. And I love this little thing that they have for the cream. Like, I don't know why I like that, but I just like that. So super cute. I would definitely buy it, but I would definitely try and wait till any sales happen at Sephora or anything just so you can get a good deal. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. Bye.